pencil, then some color papers, cutter, scissor, the glue, a cardboard box of any size that you need, and the most important of all is the butter paper for making the pinhole camera. So now let's move on.
So now
We are going to cover this cardboard box with color paper. As we are using these color papers for decoration purpose, we may use any of them. Now, know that you keep one side of the cardboard box blank in order to make a space to look in. Don't cover them with the paper. And then cut out the side as shown.
covering the cardboard with colorful paper.
We are supposed to take the cross section of it as shown. Then make a X-like structure, as you can see, made by using pencil over here, and mark the intersection point as O, and then put a hole over there. Now here you can see that the hole is tiny and small. You are also supposed to make a tiny and small hole so that you get perfect real inverted image. Let's move on. Now stick the butter paper where we made rectangular box-like structure as shown.
The reason behind this is
Because of rectilinear propagation of light, what happens is that the incident rays from the object come towards that small hole and then gets inverted because the light cannot change its direction till a reflecting surface comes in front of it. Thank you for watching this video from Spriha and Araf.
and don't forget to like
Share
and
and subscribe to our channel.